Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0900 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab, scroll down, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution is to check the internet speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next solution. Now the next solution is the one which will definitely fix the problem, and that is to reset Windows Update components. So I have a script for you. Simply copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what this script will do. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. It will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.